everybody! It's time to play! Here we have it, guys! Where is he? Time to plunge into tic-tac-drop. Here, you'll need all the right moves to go toe-to-toe against your foe. Hello mga kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso, ka-A to Z, kapamilya! First things first, you gotta know what you're in for. Check out these rules. To win tic-tac-drop, you must make a line just up, down, or diagonally by dropping your balls into the ball slots. You'll get one ball for each minigame you win. If you reach a stalemate, you can start a new game. Here we go. Got that? So, okay, now let's put you both to the test. Time to play tic-tac-drop. Tick-tock, stop the clock. Did you all get that? Like tic-tac-toe, not gonna spin. Oh, yes, and with a wicked twist too. You make only a mark by winning, and then by dropping. Now let's play. You both got your game faces on, so let's, you know what they say? Dive into a minigame! Spin the wheel! For the first game, let's see what type of game are we gonna play. Oh, ito na! Uy, galing mga matching naman tayo, mga bobo kayo. Tara na, dito na tayo sa Zubik. Mga ewan kayo. Sana hindi ako matatalo, mananaw ako, mga bobo kayo. Mga walang duda kayo sa akin. Ito na yung pakataon. Mga malas kayo. Tapos, ang panalo ay sina ako! Ako talaga yung panalo dito ha. Mga ewan kayo. And the winner is Rafi! Now you get to drop a ball into the board. Rafi, choose your drop slot. Right over here. I want it on the left side. Okay, time to drop it. Perfect! Now let's move on to the next minigame. Spin the wheel! O, ito na mga kapuso. Saan tayo maglaro? Oy, madali lang yan. Mga bobo kayo. Saan tayo mag-sort out ng mga, mga electric bolts? Mabilis na. Yan! Tapos! Ang galing ko, no? Ang galing ko talaga mag-sort out ng mga kulay. Suwabe naman kayo. And the winner is Rafi again! Eto na! Dito ako sa kaliwa. Thank you! Eto na! Drop mo na! Para mas-maiksi yung laro! Now time to move on to the next game! Spin the wheel! Sana, ano yung laro? Hoy! Mas mabilis lang to! Para mag-master na ako, mag-push up na ako, mag-bobo kayo, mag-gaw kayo, mag-ewan kayo, mga puta yata kayo! Tingnan mo to, mag-workout na ako, oh! Oh, galing, no? Workout na tayo, mag-bobo kayo! Yan! Tapos na yung workout ko, mga bobo kayo! Iyo mo! Big chop, Rafi. Get tic-tac tricks. Drop away, drop away. Eto na! Tapos! Ayan! Whoopee! 3 in a row. 3. Choice. Absolutely, we have a winning trio. And as a hat trick, as they say, that one of you guys is the victor. And you know who that is? Yeah! I'm the winner! Oh, mga bobo kayo, mga puwisit kayo, tentado! Ba't talo ka na, Kiel? Ewan ka na sa'yo! Todos! Be, di bale, may bala pa ako. Would you like to go to the next round? Ah! Jodots! May Facebook pa? Of course! Zyren, pwede tayo mag-guest back. Alam mo kung saan? Sa Flip Out Frenzy! O yan, dyan na naman tayo ha, sa Flip Out Frenzy. If you wanna check that video out, punta na tayo doon. Bye guys!